Well, it's bloody hot here in Sydney. Even the trees are panting. But we're having a good day. Slept in a bit, but got pretty much straight into it. And we've got a few things done. We've applied for a job or two. I've already had a bit of feedback, a response from one asking for a CV. So that's the next thing I've got to get done today, as soon as I have a chicken sandwich for lunch. So we're going pretty well. It's stinking hot. The dogs are in the cool room. And we're going to keep cracking for another couple of hours at the old curriculum vitae. Getting that out there. Securing some income to add to the pile. The shrinking pile. And yeah, keep at it. It's a good day so far. Just a bit warm. So that's my lunch. Chicken roll with salad, bit of tomato. That's it, on white bread. So I've been having issues with energy fluctuations, especially after lunch. So I've got a little bit of protein, salad, and I'm a bit worried about the sugar that's probably in the bread, and it's not very, what do you call it, like low GI. It's probably high glycemic index, so that means I'll get a buzz and a burst of energy for the next hour or so, and then I'll get a dip and I'll feel like a nap. So probably not the best, but I don't know. You tell me. 2 of these for lunch. I don't know. Good or bad? Not sure. Well, that's another day. It's I got a bit done today. I did what the psychologist suggested and stuck to the plan. Well, made a plan with like specific times. Stuck to it. So got a few things done. Applied for a couple of jobs. Sent a CV off. And got a couple of other things done. And now I gotta go home and do some work on my 3D stuff. We're trying to figure out how to map things. So that's what we're doing now. It's amazing sunset at the moment. We're just out getting dinner. It's incredible. But yeah, it's hard to show you on this happy phone camera. But yeah. Oh, it's an onion. So I'm slowly getting better at being productive. Being productive involves having a plan, and that involves knowing what you need to do. But what are you doing? Come on. No, not that way. There's a crazy dog here. We went a slightly different way. There's a dog here. She will bark. She's a nice girl, but she's a bit funny. And Weezer gets shy. Anyway, so being productive means you have to know what your goals and motivation are. Then you can make a plan. Well, then you know what you need to get done, the little bits, and then you can make a plan and get them done. So that's where I'm at the moment. Working on the reel, trying to find secure some income, and yeah, that's the plan at the moment. Sunset, amazing. Was that lightning? I think it was. I saw lightning through it.